Chelsea may have just pulled off one of the smartest signings of the summer. Savinho to Stamford Bridge isn't just another transfer, it's a move that could completely transform Xabi Alonso's attack. When you think of Alonso's football, you think of intensity, quick transitions, positional freedom, and dangerous wide players. That's exactly where Savinho comes in. The Brazilian is one of the most exciting young wingers in world football. He's lightning quick, fearless in one-on-one situations, and has the creativity to unlock even the most stubborn defenses. But what makes him a perfect fit is how he plays without the ball. Alonso demands constant movement. His attackers stretch the pitch, press aggressively, and create space for teammates. Savinho already does all of that. He hugs the touchline when needed, drives inside with confidence, and delivers quality in the final third. Now imagine him linking up with Cole Palmer, Enzo Fernandez, and Chelsea's attacking options. Defenders would have to choose: double up on Savinho and leave space in the middle, or give him the freedom to run at them. Either way, Chelsea become far more dangerous. At just 22 years old, Savinho still has massive room to improve. Under a manager like Xabi Alonso, who has already shown he can develop young talent into elite players, his ceiling could be frighteningly high. This isn't just about adding another winger. It's about adding a player whose style perfectly matches the manager's vision. If Chelsea really land Savinho, don't be surprised if this ends up being one of the best signings of the season. But what do you think? Is Savinho the missing piece in Chelsea's attack, or should the Blues be looking elsewhere? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Chelsea updates.